Alright, Forex market, second time for the day. We got a new one for your observation. The dollar versus the Swiss franc. Very interesting situation from a technical standpoint. We've seen price action coming off 89.59 right there. 89.59. That's the big point of reference for us. Now we've seen price action basically crossing over. It started about 2 weeks ago. It kind of dipped below 89.58 for a day, then quickly turned back up, right? Remained above that level. It was just cruising sideways, and then again 2 days where it spent below that 89.58. So you might say, well, that was an evidence of breaking down. That would be true if it was confirmed by the weekly chart, but it wasn't. Let's take a look at that. You see what I'm saying? Every single time price seemed to be dipping below 89.59, it was just excess noise, and it was not a real, at any point was it any real breakdown. Just testing. Price just testing that level. You see how it just keeps spiking it. Which leads us to believe that the turnaround, guys, the upside reversal is, right around the corner. Price had been putting a lot of pressure on that 89.59, but it held very, very well up till now. And at some point, price will just have to, cave in and let that level start dictate the tone. So we think price is going to be starting to turn around. Maybe it actually already did. Check this out. Friday, I think again last Friday was maybe the first sign of a new upside move. Now we're not talking about a big move, right? We're talking about a quick one. To be honest, we're talking about, potentially speaking, this could be over in a couple of days. By the end of the week, let's say, it should be over. So we're only taking the dollar Swiss here for a quick spin. We think it's going to go to 90.67, right? According to our key level system, that's where the next big resistance is. There's another small one at 90.10. We're probably going to ignore that, right? Ignore that slight resistance that's going to come off that level. We think price heading towards 90.67, not to mention even a little bit beyond 90.90, which is where the previous high is, right? In this trading range. We're talking about this trading range at this point. But again, I guess we're gonna be working with 90.67 as final destination. It's also interesting to mention the 200 daily moving average, which seems to be sitting right there, right? So there you go, just another resisting element that sits right on that level. So it's a nice coincidence to have that level, fortified by that moving average. Anyway, we're gonna keep that in mind, right? 90.67, that's our target. So we're talking about what, 80 pip, right? 80 pip of potential move. Again, it's not a big move. Short-term cycle, that's what we're looking at right now. So yeah, there you go, guys. Right after this video, pulling the trigger, new bullish campaign on the dollar Swiss. Like I said, could be a quick one, day 2, maybe 3 days. But yeah, let's see how that goes. We're gonna start off with a stop loss level at 89 spot. All right, that's pretty much the game plan. There you go, dollar Swiss franc, taking it for a quick spin upwards. Gonna be back to follow up on the situation, and we'll keep you posted. That's about that for the day today. Enjoy the rest of it. We're gonna continue off to the cryptocurrency market, so we'll probably see you there. Take care.